menye di obia betimi acheme obia ni wa obetimi acheme because menye di obia betimi acheme.
President Mama, you can't jail anybody. Attorney General, you can't jail anybody. NDC apparatus and NDC party, you don't have the power to jail. Operation loot no, recover loot no. Aton somo. Some members in the compare appointment. Omu niya compare appointment. And oku doctor Brakwa foreign minister only time. But tell him muninam. Why ye? Odi ashe. Obianya bibia oye. And evidence now mo bua na mo di come attorney general no so. Adoni benku. Adani koko more. Adani kukunte. Enti mo so the modi ye friend say MPP tama. Yeah, case for 8 years. So sana oral case bi am court to biano. 4 years they do no even mun prosecute here. Because MPP rights no to will frustrate you. That will be frustration. When you file the matter before the court, the lawyers will go to contest and there will be adjournment. No judge should come and tell me that it's in a hurry. That where MPP time, you were not in a hurry to do forcing. You were not in a hurry to do opuni. You are not in a hurry to do most of the political cases. Don't come and tell us that when there's change of power, then the judiciary changes. You are the same judiciary.
Okay, yabusunyafo Ghana ni TV suni makachro say eba Ghana nsem Ghana stories, say ye politics, say ye social stories, say ye entertainment, say ye sports, eba dia ye Ghana ni TV and I bit me do ho ato yen so misro open sa na onya subscribe nya meka family ni ho a me subscribe button ne so na me di update bia ne bi video bia tuma wonso onya feed ni bi na wetimi abehwe so de ekọ ewo ye my Ghana mobusunya yasa tenase bi lawyer Dr. Maurice Ampaw wa ben ewo manim ye pa ya nya senkuma na obi anim se bapa yo ka de ko New Patriotic Party NPP amyuko no maso ye na Maurice Ampaw kan sembebre titiro ene Reverend Kusibuaten ya ne ho nsensem sorry bebre said National Cathedral papa company for no muti adwa no ho na sikabia for monsase ena afins no double identity kuta papa no ya ebeto odwa se na wotwe mu no be na se NIB adwumako no to monsa frɛ yewura Reverend Kusibuaten no ho nsem no yewura eye lawyer Dr. Maurice Ampaw de atudwa se enkosi ba bia obi ne ho betimi de papa na koto afiase entimampani Mahama esore a JU afi NDC for any oral for operation recover all loot and I will jail you no enya de dem faso bia beba eye political witch hunting and NDC amyuko ni aban omo pese omo ye nti obi anka na komanto ne obi ne ho a ombetimi ajeli no ewo NPP abri eso afi wasadi tudwa say operation recover all loot no atonsum na enkosi baby adwuma no mo nyina ya adwuma hunu esanse mpanifo moda oro adwumako na no yewura Samuel Kujeto block a ene wonya appointment o foreign minister oni adaje afi yewura COP Nathan Kofi Buachi nso ono nso nya appointment ya mampani aso ne hwe bambo ho nsem so head of security enti wo hwe mampanifo mo deda anu nyina no ene obi ajeje appointment baako nti owura no eno nso emfa faso bia mre Ghana say ombere cover Ghana ska 1 Ghana cedi mpo enya de a ora ekuo no ombetimi a recover emiyato de ato Ghana futu mu eno so no yewura lawyer Dr. Maurice Ampaw eka ho asem enya no nko a cases anase criminal cases ahodo a New Patriotic Party amnyoko no 8 years ago omo hyase ya omo prosecute amanfo no yewura Seidu Agongo Europe ni case atofo ambulance case ne affordable house ni yewura Collins Daudamo ene cases ahodo no a Attorney General eba wa be file no prosecute ya wagye mu no eno so yewura Maurice Ampaw akasadi tudwa sese na akoba de a ene 8 years ya kire se yewura opuni ene Seidu Agongo cases ni cases ahodo no NDC lawyers prayer delay frustrate process no a omodine saa na ye koye ba yantimi amfa obi antum no ene saa na 4 years edi anim nso no Maurice Ampaw de atudwa se NPP lawyers kukudam omonso omo na 4 years yi omonso be so cases ahodo mu se NPP eni pa bia na so be related to NPP ekobasa aban we edini kogina emra no animu a se de nso ye no saa na ewia be ye omonso mpene ne empene kina ememfo modi hye bia antum frustrate almost be frustrate process no almost be delay niema on be delay system no na sene ye 8 years na go ye no 4 years in so on be delay niema ma nyade a obi abetimi de NPP o person bia enso e de atomo abusua secret ahodo a Maurice Ampaw yitumo no na no odin yen hwe ne nsem no kan ni bi obetimi de wadwenkyere aba na ode egu ase obetimi a share ama onu anya bi na make sure say obe subscribe to channel no na ye de update bia tuma onso anya ode yen hwe nsem a lawyer Maurice Ampaw e de to dwane bi ewo wontumi TV so
Reverend Kusibwatin is trending. It's alleged say BNI4 are arresting him and ni Ishimu national cathedral and other matters, and it's all about the oral operation recover all root NDC for winning power. Omo can say omo deba, but it's very unfortunately say the way Ghana hano, it look as if when there's change of power no, there is this agenda. Yedi otime. Any I say ye crucify people who we see to and perceive say omo your opponents, and in the course of the elections no omo support no. There is this agenda say once there is change of government no, we go after our enemies. Yeah, more the opportunity to be heard. You try to infringe upon their right of their constitutional right under the laws of the Republic of Ghana. Say everybody is presumed innocent until proven guilty by a court of competent jurisdiction. Say obi biara nye boni ye. Je say the panel wadena court. Emma abodi kwedu. Emma kwedu abono no. The state prosecution no present on a case. Na out of presentation no, almost the evidence ye kunje Emma court no declare say our case to answer. The amano kwine no open defense. No open defense so the amano kwine Emma wa throw doubt on the state's evidence no. Now the only day no, if the court decides say or you're guilty, now court na kwine now what plead for mitigation. Or plead for mitigation and if the court a sentence no. And the power to jail is in the hands of the court. In the hands of any politician, in the hands of the president, in the hands of the parliament. No institution, no individual is giving final judicial power. Tibuntie musia and musia. And if we say politicians say and they be jail and people who don't know the law and understand law and they be jail, who are you to jail? You see, I think when I hear presidents, people who are in authority talks about I'll jail you, I'll recover all. It seems as if they don't understand the law. Say, in our current constitutional dispensation, and Ghana constitution, obi anyone or final judicial power. Nobody. And Article 127 of our constitution, final judicial power rests with the judiciary, meaning the power to convict and the power to sentence is the preserve of the judiciary. And the judges in Kwano mo tumia ome tumia abu obi kumfo na oma sentence no. So where lies the power of the politicians when omo yamo campaigner 999 na yebe jeli way and yebe jeli wu and propaganda na political when I say omo table yente law na say. Then we begin to talk about we will jail way. Now I say jail no ABB. I say agrodie to jail somebody and agrodie a serious issue. You are taking the right of a person, the freedom of when I say movement is to be curtailed. Say you be jail no a serious issue. And a criminal jurisprudence no to jail somebody no and yet be no our politicians sorry me jail mama where lies your power to jail? You do not have the power to jail. The only power under the constitution yada man will press the mama is to pardon. You can only pardon. And the power, Yadama Attorney General, it will prosecute or to enter on the prosecute. It Attorney General don't have the power to jail. Attorney General 2 year 1 year. So obe persecute you. Obe to me a prosecute you. Or do wako court. No wako do. No presenting the case. No one any day. No proving the case beyond reasonable doubt. Now you are. People don't accuse you no an opportunity to be heard on his defense. On the defense, he has to throw doubt on the case of the prosecution. Or to doubt her. Then that's the matter. Even at that stage, now you're supposed to me fairly processes to stop the opening of defense. What do I say? And you know, nobody has the power to jail. To be in jail, President Mama, you can't jail anybody. Attorney General, you don't can't jail anybody. NDC apparatus and NDC party, you don't have the power to jail. And you pay NDC, MPP, politicians to stop throwing dust into the eyes of the ordinary Ghanaian. Who need the power to jail? You know, Foko. Law. It is jail in the discretion of the judge. And that discretion is governed by law. Near law, they say, Angeli, court back case budget in my own Yamanesa, or to be jail, or to be fine, or to be entitled to a bond of good behavior, or to be cried out. And he said, Reverend Kusibuatin, Obufu said, issue. And the issue of double identity, Siraj Akleno. Siraj Akleno from all wrongdoing. So one lies another attempt to prosecute him at the court of law. And if you want to prosecute him at the court of law, does it entail detention? Do you have to detain somebody or even arrest somebody? Obia or you're accessible, or you're man of substance, Obia on your fugitive and Obia on person Johnny. Now what the BBD, Papa one or you're credible man. Worry or ma the Japade bebre wa Ghana na sorry bebre ebro 100 Ghana na buchinia or when the businesses are or you're known internationally or you're known internationally is a man of substance obobra or the I say it is such person arrest you invite the person. You take the statements, you investigate. If you feel say he has a case to answer, go to court and let I go from no committee lawyers. I don't say Reverend Kusibuati lawyers. So I dare the Attorney General and then those who are making noise. But I probably told them man error. Intermediate, I am Mr. who say Obi case obe jelly obi na masre because with him say the oral. This operation now according to even Becca Cracker say the oral is not oral oral no operation recover all loot no some members in the appointment and no good talk foreign minister only time but tell muninam why ye odi ahye obianya bibia oye and evidence na mo bua no amudi come Attorney General no so adoni benku adani koko more adani kukunte say ukona ko ye bibi uko gada ESA obi wako obi ma obi edi kokonsa we ESA evidence ni zene na mate say we say mate yan fact sem en court and no matter how much suspicion speculation say how suspect will be it doesn't and amounted to evidence. Your evidence will be subject to legal scrutiny. You better share the authenticity. You better share how authentic the evidence is, whether it's admissible and then admissible, whether it's something that you can so they are convict to be a easy job. Attorney General problem. No, given what we have right now in this country, Yawomemuna, Opunimuni, NDC, it got for normal standing trial during the NADO MPP time for more than 6, 7, 8 years. Na ye koko to ba. Ato force mo. Na mo NDC for the mu kan. Person mama na NDC mu ni kan, ni ni ta mu kan. Mo edu mo so na ye de mo court no. Mo ye cobra adjournment. You say ena choboy. Ye freeway na mo nam court. Na mo intimidate judges. Ni e judges atem na ye one judges. And then Jesus Christ. Unya Francis Sesu and Oman General Legal Council. Say one General Legal Council. Ebe say we have political judges. Now Omoba they will deal with political judges. Odi ase obi oko kan say onya egbemu onya so me. Such a person his my recommend uko sasu ne conduct in public. The way we did their temple because on monsa social media onya egbemu onya so kwasa ne ma sasu kan ni no ya recommend this uncle General Legal Council go relegate yen Jesus Christ. Na ono can say we have political judges. We will deal with the political judges. And we know that time, mama, we don't have confidence in the judiciary. And then the NDC form most sorry a good judiciary, no. And then so judiciary any confidence, no. Now table not 10 and then with the mob a government in power. Do you think it easy also to handle MPP? Abba MPP with the quality lawyers of war. Now me case crime many when I say many Abraham Imagine court. Abraham versus wound to me 5 years into me way. What could be said behind mama? Criminal case. And also the money here when I say MPP Tama ya case for 8 years. So I oral case beyond court to Biano. 4 years they do not even move prosecute here. Because MPP rights will frustrate you. That will be frustration. When you file the matter before the court, the lawyers will go to contest and there will be adjournment. No judge should come and tell me that it's in a hurry. That where MPP time, you were not in a hurry to do forcing. You were not in a hurry to do opuni. You were not in a hurry to do most of the political cases. Don't come and tell us that when there's change of power, then the judiciary changes. You are the same judiciary. Due process will be followed. Adjournment will be made. Appeals will go. Sadatia, et meno operation loot no, recover loot no. Aton shomo, it will not yield any result. In fact, there is no way out they can even recruit one city. Two, there is no way out. Given the evidence, Amikrano, and the way they are conducting themselves, no, you cannot even do a one conviction. That's the reason why will fail miserably, because utumeka kope intentrenia ube buried intentrenia on a justice harried is justice buried. And I'm a law justice, when you harried trying to do justice, you bury justice. And the same way the justice delayed is justice denied. Until at the end of the day, no do kadaya. Until the Attorney General should I know the Attorney General currently is very serious on your be a good in mass. And when you are going to court, don't come and tell us that the judges there are MPP judges. Only your judges are, they have been there forever. These same judges, Akweti, Ejai, Atufosimo, these same guys in Jakpamo, these same judges, so that cases are NPP, NDC for more winning. So currently, you are even there not bringing it against me. I see Reverend Kisibuati case is a matter about nothing. Reverend Kisibuati, to what you mean that the propaganda will not fly. They should invite 200 times, go 100 times. They should prosecute 200 times, go 100 times. Their cases before the court will fail because the lawyers and the God factor will vindicate Reverend Kisibuati. And I'm more MPP4. This is a time to show solidarity. This is a time to stand behind the man of God. Or I say, hey, this is the time they would like to prosecute people they perceived to be a men of God who are aligned to MPP. And then they will enter on the protocol and free men of God who are aligned to NDC. That is the order of the day. The Attorney General will be freeing NDC alleged criminals and suspects while persecuting. And Ghana is for all of us. You see, if President Mama, you want to reset Ghana, you can't reset Ghana minus 42% of the people of Ghana. 42% of people of Ghana didn't vote for you. They don't believe in you. They think that you cannot be a good president. 42% of the people who went to the pool 2024 think say you cannot do any you cannot handle the country in the way. See, if 42% of Ghanaians are against your government and 56 or something are for you, if you don't bring the 42 together and the other political parties, how do you reset? How do you reset when 42% are being molested, are being seen as opponent? And that's why when NDC won power, not the way NDC 4 all of a sudden, they were on MPP and anybody who is not on their side. Now if it's a side government, do you know that you need the 42% of Ghanaians to help Mama to reset Ghana? Now Munda message can say Mikraman Kotogo. Samu Yokofubia. Munim say Ghana can only be reset when we are united. When even Loyampa can say Mama wins, you go to Togo. You people will even have to beg. Oh, no, don't go. We need you so that at least together we reset Ghana. When Mama is giving speech, you can't. When the nation is divided, nobody can do anything. A divided nation cannot stand. And in me, I look at it from this angle. Say, yenya persecution, yenya agenda setting. Say, you go a man for be humfi. Yenya quiet faswa. Say, at all costs, some people should go to jail. Or yenya all costs, at all costs, no. And say you go for be humfi. Now yambe people look bad. No. Now yema perepeye. True justice must prevail. What I say? Let's do justice. Let's deal with those who have committed crime genuinely. Let them face the law. And those who have not committed, not because they are an opponent, but in my humble view, I don't see how Oral will succeed. Given the fact, say, the evidence, there are all ESCs. Given the fact, say, it's only the judges who can jail. And given the fact, say, MPP had good lawyers who can defend. And give the fact, say, if you hurry to put pressure on the AG to go to court, no, obeko bury justice, obe fail it will lead to acquittal, discharge. And if you let keka, we trouble who abeka say, bribe, nabi, because you didn't put your house in order.